Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, guys, we read the second chapter, the second part of this video, this chapter about the Daal, Zal, Ra, and Za and their pronunciation. So, today we read about the shapes of these letters. So, Daal, Zal, Ra, Za. So these letters have two shapes only used in the Quran. Okay, first we talk about the Dal. So sometime Dal come in this shape and sometime it will become this shape, like you. For example, Allah Zina. So this is also Dal. Dal. And so these are two shapes of the Dal. And Dal has two shapes also. This shape Dal and this shape Dal. For example, Allah Zina. And next one, Ra. So Ra has two shapes also. Sometimes this shape come and sometimes this shape come of Ra. And Za has two shapes also. Sometimes this shape come and sometimes this shape come of Za. Okay. So these are the shape of Dal, Dal, Ra, and Za. Okay, so next one, Seen, Sheen. So when the Seen come, so Seen only has three tips used in the Quran. Okay, when the Sheen come, so Sheen, the shape of the Sheen will come with three dots and three tips. For example, this is the Sheen and this is the Seen. Three tips and three tips with three dots, it's Sheen. If the only is a single line or the plain shape and three dots, it will be Sa, like this. This is a Sa, only one tip, and this is a Sheen, 1, 2, and 3. Next one, Swad and Dad. So Swad, only this shape used in the Quran. Okay, and Zwad, this shape used in the Quran. Sometimes the complete shape used and sometimes this shape used in the Quran. Next one, Twa and Zuaa. So Twa, this shape use. Okay, and this shape use of Zuaa. So Twa, this shape use, and Zuaa, the same shape used in the Quran. And next one, Ain and Ghain. So sometime only this shape use of Ain, this shape only, and sometime this shape use Ain. And Ghain, the same shape, only the above side, this shape only, it's mean. So Ghain, this shape, and this shape of Ghain. So inshallah we will read the next, the more letters pronunciation and their shapes in the next video. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.